Hey, Elizabeth here with Riverbend Homes in Lewiston, Idaho. Today I'm going to show you a Cedar Canyon 2070. It is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 611 square feet. It is 49.5 long and 14.9 wide, and it is a single section. Let's go check it out. One bedroom, 1 bathroom, perfect little cabin, Airbnb, whatever you want. Got some Mosaic backsplash there. Black appliances, which come standard. Stainless steel sink. Got the raised sidewall with some transom windows up top. This is your electrical panel. Half lit door. Can build a porch off the side. Bathroom. Now in this bathroom there's an area for a washer and dryer stackable. And your bedroom. 2 closets in this bedroom. And there you have it. Real open, nice living room area. You've got an 8-foot porch on this. And this is what the outside looks like. I'll take you all the way around. You got your water connection right here. You can see the raised sidewall from the outside, which makes the ceiling taller, giving it more space. Patio outlet. Let me know what questions you got.